As a tech novice, ever asked if you can make $500 a day online as a complete beginner? The answer is yes. If you know how to use AI the right way, pay attention to the voiceover more than the images. Let me show you step by step. Welcome to Techstatus. Today, I'll break down how any beginner can earn $500 per day using AI tools without coding, expensive setups, or years of experience. Stay till the end. I'll share my secret AI combo method that multiplies your income. AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can write blogs, YouTube scripts, or ad copy in minutes. You can start freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork, charging $20 to $50 per article. Just 5 articles a day =$100 to $250. Platforms like InVideo.ai can turn text into stunning videos. Beginners are using these videos to run faceless YouTube channels and earn ad revenue. With consistency, this alone can scale into $300 plus daily. Use Canva AI or Midjourney to create ebooks, guides, and templates. Sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Even at $10 per product, just 50 sales per day =$500. Affiliate marketing is where the big money is. Use AI to write high-converting emails, landing pages, and TikTok scripts. Promote tools like Canva, Jasper, or even InVideo.ai itself, and earn commissions. Here's the formula. Create short AI-generated videos. Post them daily on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Link to your ebook or affiliate product drive sales. This combo is how complete beginners are hitting $500/day. The future of online income belongs to those who know how to use AI. Don't just scroll. Start today. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the AI tool you'll try first. And check the description for links to resources.